everyone. Well, recently AO.com got in touch with me and asked if I'd like to review Dyson's latest air purifier. I had the option of the desk or the pedestal fan, so as you can see I decided to go for the pedestal version. Okay, before I do my review, let's run through some specs of this machine and then I'll show you everything it does. As you can see, this Dyson PureCool pedestal fan is quite tall. In fact, it's 1054 millimeters tall. That's just over 41 inches. You can see how big it is when I put my Dyson hot and cool fan heater next to it. This purifier consumes 40 watts of electricity and has a 1.8 meter cable. That's approximately 70 inches. It weighs 4.9 kilograms. That's just under 11 pounds. And inside the box you get the remote control and power supply. To help prevent you from losing the remote, it fits on top of the unit using a magnet. From 1 meter away on setting 10, this Dyson fan is approximately 56 decibels. This reduces to only 37 decibels when you select the lowest setting. You can turn the fan on using the switch on the unit or the remote control. You can download the Dyson Link App to your smartphone or tablet. By pressing the remote symbol on the app, you can now control all the functions using your tablet or smartphone. The app allows you to remotely monitor the quality of the air in the room your Dyson purifier is located. My purifier is located in the master bedroom and currently I have good air quality. It also tells you the temperature and humidity of the air, and it'll even tell you the weather in your local area. If you have an Amazon Echo, you can enable the Dyson skill and control the purifier using your voice. Currently I have the Dyson PureCool on auto mode, so it's constantly monitoring the quality of the air and adjusting accordingly. So at the moment it's on quite a low setting because the air quality is good, but let's see what happens when I spray a little bit of deodorant near the unit. It might take a while for the sensors to detect the particulates in the air, but as soon as it does, this graph will start to go up and the motor speed will increase until it's removed all the volatile organic compounds from the air. The display on the panel will indicate when you need to change your filters. Filters for the previous model cost £50, so expect to pay that or slightly more for this model, so you must factor that cost in when purchasing this appliance. If you want further details or would like to buy this Dyson air purifier, there's a link directly below the video. I understand that the price of this Dyson makes it a considered purchase, and personally I don't know if I would spend that much myself, but then again I don't suffer from any allergies and I live in an area with fairly good air quality. If however you have dust allergies or hay fever, and hay fever season is coming up soon, this may be worth considering for you. Don't forget to factor in the cost of filters. Now I don't know the price of filters at the moment, but I'm sure they'll be on Dyson's website soon, so you can check that out before you decide to buy. So there will be an ongoing cost with this unit. If you have any questions about this Dyson PureCool, please ask in the comments section below and I'll do my best to answer them. Please subscribe and click the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Now my channel mainly focuses on floor care appliances, but I do the odd other major appliance from time to time. I've featured the odd washing machine, tumble dryer, dishwasher and other appliances, so stay tuned because you never know what's coming up next on my channel. So thanks for watching, I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.